Hello dear, welcome on channel. If you want to type just the name in Excel and have the serial number automatically appear next to it. So for that, I will tell you a formula today. Click in serial number cell and type this formula. Type equals, type if, bracket open, select name cell, put equals again here. Put double inside comma, then double inside comma. After that, put a comma and type a row here. Again, use open bracket and type 1, and then put colon, again 1 and close the bracket twice. And hit enter. Again, click first cell and drag and drop as many cells as you need. Now, as you type the name in the cell column, the serial number itself will be written accordingly, as you can see in the video. After entering this formula, you will not have to write the serial number again and again. So this was today's video. I hope you like this video. If you do, please like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.